Hey everyone, I am here with Super Simple Gratitude Edition number 10, the final one in the series. So this is just the quick flip through video. If you want the full video, the link will be down below. This will just give you kind of a brief overview. So I cut everything out, I inked it, and I'll link below which page I printed on cardstock. I did all of them on regular paper except the page that has this tag, this big tag, I ended up doing it on cardstock. Just because with big tags going in and out of pockets, it sometimes gets stuck. So this is number 10. We have, when you put it in your journal, you glue on these three sides so it becomes a pocket all by itself. And then I have this fun little piece of ephemera for journaling, lots of writing on the inside of that. And then I have this fun little flip down thing that I'll show you in a second, but it is a pocket by itself as well. And I have this fun little journaling card that goes in there. And then we have this big, huge pocket back here with this really beautiful tag and lots of extra journaling space on that one as well. I really feel like we actually made a journal that you can journal in. So that was kind of a goal for this set. All right, so you have this piece right here, and I'll pull up so you can kind of see, but it folds down, and you have a pocket here with some fun little bits. You have a spot to journal, another cute little pocket with some fun little things, and another little place you can write here as well, and then this beautiful collage on the front. So that is it. The Super Simple Gratitude number 10 is in the books. I had a blast with this collection. I loved it. I love the colors. They're so soft and beautiful. I hope you've had fun with it too. And I'm sure grateful for you guys for watching and for supporting and letting me continue to kind of just do what I love. And it truly, 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 it amazes me every time you guys support. I'm just super grateful. So I hope you know that. And I hope you have just a beautiful, beautiful day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.